ungaba ubani,
whoever,
noma ungaba uking,
even a king,
noma ungaba upresident,
or if you're a president,
ongqongqoshe,
a cabinet minister,
ilona lo akaqaphelisise lentambo kaNkuluNkulu ukuthi ihambe kanjani, hayi ukuthi uyifake ithambile xekise ihambe laphansi.
let each one of them remember God is measuring them. He is using his plumb line. Make sure that you are in line with it.
Akube yilona lo abhekisise
Let each one
athandaze
be careful and examine
ukuthi uNkulunkulu amgcine nezingane zakhe uma ingakwenzi, futhi uma ungahambi noNkulunkulu, uma ungavikelwanga uNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu abe isihawu sakho, uNkulunkulu abe isikhali sakho, uNkulunkulu abe isambrela sakho sasezulwini, maye kuwe.
and pray that God would be with you, that you would be with him, that you would be in line with his plumb line. Ask for his protection upon you and your family, that he would be your shield, your rock of defense. Otherwise, woe to you.
Isekelo sakho
He-
sinye isekelo esisile esiuNkulunkulu.
He must be your foundation, your only true foundation.